This is a brand new 2011 Ford Escape. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and a six-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, external temperature display, 4 well-positioned speakers, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a multi-link rear suspension, alloy wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a CD player, and roof rails. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.